Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your WhatsApp link quickly and easily just in few steps. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to create your WhatsApp link, firstly go to your Google search. Type in WhatsApp link for my number and make a search. It will display the search results. Click on the second link displayed on the screen that says Create WhatsApp Links. It will take you to the official page of whatsapp.link. Scroll all the way down and enter your phone number. You can also custom message if you want to. After entering your phone number, tap on Generate My WhatsApp Link. It will generate your WhatsApp link in no time. You can either copy or download your WhatsApp QR too. This is how you can create your WhatsApp link quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.